Hey, gorgeous! Are you ready to discover the true essence of beauty? Want to enhance your natural beauty without spending a fortune on products? Imagine waking up every day feeling confident and radiant, without the need for layers of makeup or expensive treatments. You're in the right place. We're about to unlock the secrets to glowing skin, sparkling eyes, and a radiant smile. All naturally. From simple skincare routines to easy DIY beauty hacks, we've got you covered. It's easier than you think. True beauty comes from within, and with a few simple tweaks to your routine, you'll be turning heads wherever you go. Imagine the confidence boost you'll get from knowing your skin is healthy and glowing. Get ready to embrace your inner goddess. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling amazing from the inside out. When you feel good, it shows in every aspect of your life. This isn't about hiding who you are, it's about letting your natural beauty shine through. Minimal makeup can enhance your features without masking your true self. It's all about balance and finding what works best for you. So ditch those expensive creams and complicated routines. You don't need a cabinet full of products to look and feel beautiful. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective. Let's embark on this exciting journey together. Embrace your natural glow and discover the joy of feeling beautiful just as you are. Remember, beauty is not just skin deep, it's a reflection of your inner health and happiness. So let's get started and shine bright. First things first, water is your new best friend. It flushes out toxins, keeps your skin plump and hydrated, and gives you that lit from within glow. Aim for 8 glasses a day. Not a fan of plain water? Jazz it up with slices of lemon, cucumber, or berries. Trust me, your skin will thank you. You'll notice a difference in no time. Hydration is the key to unlocking your natural radiance, but that's not all. Drinking enough water also helps maintain the elasticity of your skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It aids in digestion, ensuring that your body absorbs all the essential nutrients from your food. Plus, staying hydrated can improve your mood and energy levels, making you feel more vibrant and alive. If you find it hard to remember to drink water, try carrying a reusable water bottle with you wherever you go. Set reminders on your phone, or make it a habit to drink a glass of water before each meal. Experiment with different infusions to keep things interesting. Whether it's a splash of citrus or a handful of fresh mint, there's a flavor combination out there that you'll love. So, raise a glass to hydration and let your inner beauty shine through. Beauty sleep is real, girls. When you're well rested, it shows. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night. You'll wake up feeling refreshed and looking radiant. Sleep is not just about resting your body, it's also about rejuvenating your mind. During sleep, your body repairs itself and your skin undergoes a healing process, reducing dark circles and puffiness. So, make sure your bedroom is a sanctuary of peace and comfort. Invest in a good mattress and pillows and keep the room cool and dark. And don't forget to smile. A genuine smile is the prettiest thing you can wear. It brightens your face and lights up the room. Plus, did you know that smiling actually releases endorphins, making you feel happier? It's a win-win. Smiling can also reduce stress and lower your heart rate. So, start your day with a smile, and you'll find that it sets a positive tone for everything you do. Remember, a smile is contagious, and it can spread joy to those around you. So, sleep well, smile often, and let your inner light shine brightly every day. Section 4. Strike a pose. Good posture can work wonders for your appearance and confidence. Stand tall, shoulders back, and chin up. Not only will you look taller and slimmer, but good posture also exudes confidence and poise. Try incorporating some gentle stretches or yoga poses into your routine to improve your posture. Your body will thank you. Section 5. Inner beauty shines brightest. Remember, true beauty radiates from within. Be kind, compassionate, and confident in who you are. Cultivate your passions, embrace your quirks, and never be afraid to let your personality shine. When you feel good about yourself, it shows. Inner beauty is timeless and captivating. Section 6. You are naturally beautiful. So there you have it, gorgeous. Embrace these simple tips and watch your natural beauty shine through. Remember, you are unique, special, and beautiful just the way you are. Love yourself, embrace your individuality, and never forget to shine bright. Now go out there and rock your natural beauty.